guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a video on how I curl my hair. I got a request from somebody to do my hair routine on how I curl it. So here I am recording myself doing my hair. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you want to learn how to do your hair like this, voluminous look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I basically start off, I just some of my hair up, and I'll start from the bottom. Don't mind my crazy makeup. I just filmed an Instagram little video, makeup video. Okay. And make sure you brush your hair first. I already put in like leave-in conditioner. I usually do that after I get out of the shower. Sometimes depending on like what day of hair it is, like this is barely second day hair, and I'll use a dry shampoo, but I only use a specific one because it works best. So on the bottom half of my hair, I'll just do regular spirals. But yeah, if you guys want a hair care video, just let me know. I think that for bleaching my hair a lot lately, my hair is actually in a really good condition. I've seen when like some girls will dye their hair, or they'll bleach their hair blonde, and it just looks so fried. Cash! It's my dog. I don't think I've introduced him yet on my channel. Cash! Come here. Come here. He's like, what's going on? Because I never want to hold him. Come here. Oh! So playing hard to get. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. No. Say hi to the camera. Say hello. I'm Cash. Cash money. Stop. And he is honestly a crazy dog. He is like 9, almost 10 months, I think, and oh my god, he's so much to handle. He has so much energy. I can't keep up, and I think it's because he's a boy. I've always had girl dogs, and so I'm not used to it, and he's just so hyper. And he is gross. He's always trying to hump everything. All he does all day is humps, humps, humps. Huh? You're a horn dog? Should have called him horny. So me and Valentine are probably gonna go get ice cream right now in a little bit. Really close, and we'll probably vlog. I feel weird vlogging sometimes because I never know what to vlog, and I'm kind of like, I don't think people want to watch this, like, so I won't record, and then I just don't have vlogs, and then it's kind of awkward to vlog in public because everybody's staring at you and everybody thinks you're weird. I don't really do much. Basically all I do is I work, and I work on stuff for YouTube and makeup stuff, and that's really all I do. I hardly go out. Like last night I went out, and I haven't gone out in a while, and it was actually so fun. I just like to go out and just dance and have a good time, but I went out with my sister, and I needed a night out. It's been so long, and I needed to just de-stress. Like, I've been having a couple crazy weeks. Yeah, I don't really like to dance with guys at the bars like that. I'll literally just dance with my sister. But yeah, so this is basically all I do, and so I never have much to vlog because it's like I don't do anything but work. I do like meditate and stuff when I'm at home. I like to have like that peaceful feeling and stuff, and I honestly have music playing all the time, and I never saw me saying nothing. Like, everybody knows that when I'm at home I just play music and I just chillax. Okay, so now you do your next layer. Gosh, stop licking my leg. Hey, I need that. On to your next layer. I know I look like a hot mess, don't judge me. So I'm doing my first fashion show. I'm so excited. It's in November. I'm gonna be doing the makeup and I'm excited. It's gonna be a really good experience, and I can't wait to see how it all goes. I think it's multiple fashion shows in one event, and the person that asked me is a friend. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I can't wait to post about it. But yeah, it's like a month away or something like that. Yeah, so like my hair routine when I curl it is so simple. I don't use a lot of products in my hair. Honestly, I don't really like using gel or hairspray. I don't like the look it gives. And if I do get a hairspray, it's usually one that's like makes your hair soft. But I might be speeding this up in a little bit. I don't want to be sitting here boring you guys, so I'll probably speed it up.
I feel like I'm chosen, but she ain't the only one. Oh, got the chick I call her Thankyou. She be acting bougie, then she came through and tied me up. Now she just a groupie, got the aura of the mafia. Her friends wish they knew me, but they ain't the only one. Oh, what they want.
Yeah.
Y'all signs, what they want. Y'all ain't fooling me at all. Who wants my money? I'll tell you who I don't fuck with.
Okay, so I like to split my hair down the middle. You can do whatever you want. So this top half I spiral differently. Don't mind my dog making a mess in the background. And then, so this part I just wand, and I wand outways on both sides. So crazy right now. Have you guys heard of Mahalia? I think that's how you say her name, but oh my gosh, she's one of my favorites right now. She's bomb. Her music is bomb. If you guys haven't heard of her, you guys need to listen to her. And she just did a song with Russ. We all know that's my daddy. The song is really good. Right now, my favorite song by Mahalia is Surprise, and then there's No Reply, Sober. Like, there's so many. You guys should go check her out. Alright, so you just wand these, and then it gives your curls like a different look. And you don't have to do the whole body mask. You can do it the whole thing like that, but the curls are different, so it moves in different ways, and so it looks fuller. And the other side I'm probably gonna go ahead and do off camera because my camera's about to die, and so I'll do that side and then I'll come back right now to show you guys how I like wave it out. Gives it more volume and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so now it looks like this super curly, spirally doll hair, which you don't want it to look like because you're gonna look like you're 10, and at our age we shouldn't be looking like this. Unless you are younger and you like it like this. And whatever, that's your preference. What I do is I flip over my hair and I just start going like this. And then I push up. And the roots. Wow! Imagine with dry shampoo. This is how I like my hair. So yeah. So, and then after a while it will go down some, but it'll give it more like waves and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed my hair tutorial of my how I curl my hair. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope it helps somebody out there how to get voluminous curls without any hairspray or anything like that. This is just regular hair. And oh my god, it looks so curly right now. It looks extra short to me because I just got it trimmed, because I just got my hair touched up, so it's looking really short and spirally. If you want to brush it up, you can, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check me out on all my social medias. I have the info down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.